Good morning, everybody. Good morning. This is Sophia coming to you live from the Macpherson's Love Garden. This morning, I have so many things to be done. I need to do a lot of things this morning, and I have some plants that I need to transplant, like the tomatoes and peas and melon and all of those stuff. I have those things to be done this morning, and I also want to do some raised bed. I don't know how much I can accomplish this morning, but I'll be doing it. So this is Sophia coming to you live from the Macpherson's Love Garden. And I am hoping that everybody's doing well. Even if you're not, I pray that God will touch you and speak to you this morning. I speak positivity. I speak peace. By the peace of God be upon you. And so this morning, I and my husband and myself will be doing some work, and some probably I'll be doing harvesting some carrots and some tomatoes. So we have a lot to do this morning. So come along, join us this morning. I'm going to try see if I can put my tripods along out at the front there. We'll be doing the planting because I still need to weed up some stuff out there before I put because I have some pop choy that need to transplant also. So join us this morning. Have yourself a beautiful day and watch the entire video as we share with you our daily tasks and also um allowing our food forests to grow so that we can produce and to help us in terms of not going to the market and to help others too, because there's so many persons in need. And so that is what we want to do this morning. So have yourself a blessed day and come along with us. Bless you. One more trestle. Look at this. Look at this. My. It is huge. Strawberry. My strawberry. Just showing you my pepper. The other day when I got it, when I showed you it, in terms of how it looks, it start grown, and look at look at the soil. This is how your soil should be looking. All right. I need to deal with these corn. They don't look so hot at all. These corn, sweet corns. I need to transplant also. So I'll be doing I don't think I can do anything right. Only thing probably I can transplant this morning is the pop joy. And then I will deal with the rest of stuff because there's a lot of things, but I need to fix up the bed, and my husband will be helping me this morning. All right. I was looking in the peanut container. To this, because these are already drying up. I have to go underneath now to see in terms of the peanuts, what is there, what can be harvested. I'm also be doing that to go under the carrot and look at those. Remember already, whether they're short or they're big, these need to come out now. Yeah, and they're looking so good. This container, so I can use this another time because it's soon it will be time for below again. All right, so that is it. I was looking at my French thyme and look at it. It has grown. Look how tall it is. My gosh, things are going on right now. So I'm right here, and I'm going to fix this thing. And I can let me see. So all of here, I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean up this. So all of these plants that are here, I'm going to try and spread as much as we can over here to transplant those plants that I have. All right. So they I'll be using my hands to weed out these bushes. Right? They're very easy to take out. So right. So you wondering what I'm doing? I'm cleaning up this section, especially this side, so that I can transplant pop choy and these collard green and kale and all of those things that I have. Everything cannot hold here, but I'm going to put as much as I can right here and fix the beds. So that's what I'm doing now, trying out all of these plants. Didn't get the chance to do all this before because of the rain that we have been getting, and I'm thanking God for it, not complaining at all. So use my hand and do the lighter one, and then I will take the cutlass and do the rest. It's a bit tickling. Putting on another gloves. Another gloves so that I can use both hands. We have weeded out this section. We have cleaned this section before, but because we get the rain and all of that, it is like this. So I have to go back over again. I've already put in manure and in terms of fertilizer and treating the amending this section before, but as you can see, it is all packed up and full with bushes. So I'm going to go for the cutlass now and try to my cutlass, because I can't use my husband one. My husband cutlass is too sharp for me, so I'm going to go for that and try weed out in here. Yeah, don't they, huh? We try draw the taller ones. So you see all of those now, and the pop try more and put them here, so some of them. So see my husband helping me.
Good morning.
Yes, man.
Morning. This is the work. A guy here, person.
Hey.
Right. The work. Thank you.
Yes. We do it together.
We work together. So I do the refining and all of that.
I go for that container of water and come back. Wash after all this stuff. Yes? Alright. Yes, Gary, this is beautiful. It is what I wanted. So each time I use a rake and comb through. What do you think them behind me? If I use me and take them out.
Go right through first.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. Then we can go to the pool. On the 20. Like, that's it better.
Mm-hmm. Some of them really they're hard. Some of these are really difficult to take out. Like using that thing.
Oh, that's sure.
You know? I was trying to take out. I was one of them.
Yeah, that's sure.
Mm-hmm.
Try that. No, but I'll come here and say.
Okay.
Let's focus.